ODM party is not a party for you to fight for its soul. The party belongs to the owner. The owner of the ODM party is Raila Amolo Odinga. I want to urge my colleagues who are angling to lead the ODM party that you are wasting your own time. Raila Amolo Odinga has already indicated to us the person who would like to take over the ODM party in the meantime, to hold a brief for him in the meantime as he goes to AU. Yes. And I'm just informing the country and the nation that the person is Opiyo Wandayi. I'm not reinventing my own politics. There's nothing I'm reinventing. It is not my decision. I'm just giving you the signals that this is the person who is supposed to who will take over the party. You don't need to do opinion poll, you don't need to campaign, you don't need to just stamp, you don't need to threaten us.
Baba is heading to African Union. And as it looks, there is no challenge. So going, he has to. And there have been agitation from all quarters as to who takes over from Baba. We want to make it clear that the position leadership in ODM, and by extension Azimio, will not fall vacant. Baba will still lead Azimio as a party, and he will still lead ODM as a party. And if there will be any need to have somebody superintend this coalition and our ODM party, we shall look at regional representation of ODM. That remains null and void. We will not recognize any deliberation that will come out of it. So, Honorable Wandayi, on behalf of all Kisumu MPs, where I have given myself the position to be their leader, we are saying we are behind you, we will support you, and we will ensure that all that Baba stands for will continue unabated.
I'm not sure